Good afternoon, RVers. I am Travis at Mount Comfort RV. We're going to take a look at the 2021 Coachmen Freelander 23FS. One thing you'll notice about this is Coachmen has gone away from the tan box and white van, which I think is great. They've tied it in, it's all white, and they've also, with the new 2021 graphics, gone away from all those swirls that everybody's doing. Swirls aren't necessarily a bad thing if you're into them. It's just nice to see somebody do something different. The straight lines gives it a nice clean look. So we'll walk around the outside. Here's your solar charge. Down here, you've got your propane. This thing is 26 feet long total length, so pretty short. Get it where you want to go. 17-foot awning on it with a LED strip underneath. Here's your power outlet on the outside, cable hookup. There's an LP connection down there. Storage in your bumper for your sewer hose. Water connections. Coachmen's used LED lights, which is pretty nice. Backup camera on it. On the back side here, you've got a nice large storage compartment here. Another one right here. You can slide your chairs, fishing poles, extra clothes, rugs, all kinds of stuff in there. It's not that tall, but it's deep. It's nice. Here is another little storage hookah. Oh, there we go. And then here is your Onan 4000 generator. What I want to do is take you inside and show you how roomy this is without the slide even open. So you'll notice this is a full wall slide with a slide topper. But inside, there's a ton of space. And if you're boondocking or something along those lines, or you're in a place where you don't want to open your slides or can't open your slides, no fear, because everything is still functional and still you're still able to get to it regardless. See how much space is in here. You have the large dinette. You have the bunk over top of the cab here, and your TV is on this, kind of standard in some of your C's. Here's the rest of your bed. This here will make a bed. Plenty of room to get to your refrigerator. You're not squeezing in anywhere. So passenger can grab something, or not while you're driving, obviously. That would be dangerous. But if you did pull over somewhere, you can get to everything you need. Here's your restroom. Spacious. And then your bed. See how, there we go. See how they've turned the bed, rather than being this direction, and it happened to be a Murphy bed or one of the ones that folds at the center of the mattress, or even trifolds to be able to get it in. They've just simply changed the direction. Now you've got access to your entire bed with the slide in. So bed, restroom, refrigerator, kitchen, and dinette, all without your slide even being open. All right, and just like that, we're opened all the way up. As you can see, a ton of space in this thing. We're talking about a coach that's 2 feet longer than a Sprinter van. And you got all this room in here to move around. Access to your bed. Here's a wardrobe here. Come here and look how deep this is, Tony. Just a boatload of space and storage in here. And here, these are nice. Pull out drawers. Your wardrobe. Power outlets. Storage over the bed. Pantry. 3-burner cooktop. And I think we've covered most everything in here. The big thing on this is just how great a job they've done with this floor plan. Opening everything up. Allowing you to still sleep 6 in here. In something not much larger than a Sprinter van. But room to do somersaults. Pretty amazing. So again, I am Travis Smith. If you'd like to know more about this coach, email me at tsmith@mountcomfortrv.com. You can also find me at Travis Sells RVs on Facebook. Come and see us at Interstate 70 and Mount Comfort Road in Greenfield, Indiana. Call us at 317-898-6676. I think that's about it. This is the Coachmen Freelander 23FS. Have a great day.